Imagine traveling so fast that time itself slows down for you, or a planet where it rains diamonds. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. These are real facts about our universe that will completely change how you see space. Welcome back. The place where we explore the mysteries of the universe and uncover jaw-dropping space facts. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 space facts that even NASA scientists find fascinating. Stick around till the end because fact number 1 is something that will bend your mind. Fact number 5. Time runs differently in space. Did you know astronauts aboard the International Space Station actually age slower than people on Earth? Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, moving at incredible speeds and experiencing weaker gravity means time literally ticks a little differently for them. It's not much, just a few milliseconds, but it's proof that time travel isn't just science fiction. It's real science. If time can bend in space, what else can? Fact number 4. There's a planet where it rains diamonds. By Cancri A, a planet about 40 light-years away, is believed to have a carbon-rich surface. Scientists think the extreme pressure there turns carbon into solid diamond, making diamond rain a possibility. Imagine a world where precious gems fall from the skies like raindrops. We may never reach it in our lifetime, but it's out there right now. Fact number 3. The largest volcano is not on Earth. You might think Mount Everest or Mauna Loa is huge, but they're nothing compared to Olympus Mons on Mars. This giant volcano is about 3 times taller than Everest, and so wide it could cover the entire state of Arizona. It's been inactive for millions of years, but its sheer size shows how different planets shape themselves. Fact number 2. There's a star that's larger than imagination. Meet Uy Scuti, the largest known star. If placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. That means it could literally swallow the Earth, Mars, and even Saturn whole. Stars like this remind us how tiny our planet truly is in the grand design of the universe. Fact number 1. The universe has no edge, as far as we know. Here's the most mind-bending fact. The universe doesn't have an edge. Scientists believe it's expanding in all directions. And no matter how far you go, there's always more. It's like living on the surface of a balloon that's constantly inflating. You can travel forever, but you'll never find a wall or a boundary. Mind-blowing, right? If you enjoyed these space facts and want to keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos with me, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And tell me in the comments, which of these 5 facts amazed you the most? Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is waiting for you.